Hello guys, welcome to today's video, and in today's video I'm going to show you an underground method for earning $450 per week writing simple articles using free AI software that I'm about to show you in today's video. Now for you to get the full value in this video, you need to watch this video. Don't skip any part. You need to watch this video right to the end of this video for you to understand how to use this method so it can be able to work for you. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is 𝗢𝗲𝗱𝗧𝗧, and today I'm going to be your guide. If you find value in our video today, consider just taking 1 second of your time to smash this subscribe button, like our video, and also share it with your friends so it will help you to recommend our videos very well. Okay, let's get straight into the video. So the site you're going to be using today is called Money Pantry. So this is a site that shows you or anyone how to make money online using different strategies and different methods. As you can see here, simple solutions to earn and save more money. Now, on this site here, though you can scroll down to learn more about this site here, you can see so many articles here, but you don't need to bother yourself about it, but you can still spend your time here if you want to learn more. But this is what you're going to do here. On this site here, on this search box here, this is what I want you to do. Just type "get paid to write." Just type this into this place and click on search, because I'm about to show you how to write simple articles and earn money while writing this article. So this article can be around your passion. Maybe it might be if you're interested in digital marketing, you can write about digital marketing, you can write about affiliate marketing, whatever you want to write about. But the goal there is to earn money while writing these articles using free AI software, so that you don't even need to write these articles by yourself. You can use AI to write these articles for you. So it's just like copy and paste method I'm about to show you in this video. So I just hope you stay to the end of this video so you can see how this method can work for you. Okay, so let's just continue. Now, this is what you need to do. Once you type that there, what you need to do, you can see so many articles here. You can see 11 sites to get paid to write about what you love. You can see earn up to $1,850 just writing articles. You can still scroll down. You can see earn up to 3.25 cents or more for paid survey. This one is about paid survey. You can see so many ways here. You can see 4 ways to get paid to write lesson plans. So, but this is the one we're interested in. So just scroll back. Just click on this one here. You can click on it. Now, when you click on it, when you come to this page, this is where you'll be brought to. So this is the article here. This is the article. So when you go through this article, you can read more about this article. So the goal of this article is to show you sites, different sites that you can quickly sign up to. There's different platforms that you can quickly sign up to write articles for them and like clients, and then you earn money there. So here, this is what you need to, as you can see here, when you come to this, by default, you might see it as this. So you just need to click on this so it expand it. Now you can see make money writing about what you love. You can see general interest freelancing site. So most of you might know about Upwork. You can see 𝗢𝗲𝗍, Freelancer, 𝗢𝗏𝗍, and this one here. Okay, so you can see so many of them now. What you need to do is to just scroll down. You can see Upwork pays up to $150 per hour just writing articles. But Upwork is all about, it's just like a freelancing platform where if you have skill in maybe writing, singing, if you're a voice artist, so you can just go there as a freelancer, sign up to the platform and start, selling your skill by making clients hire you through the platform there. Okay, but that's not what we're after here. So when we scroll down, you can see another one. It says 𝗢𝗲𝗍. You can see $100 per list. So it's just like writing list posts, as you can see here. You can read more by clicking on it here to go back to the site. But this is the one we're interested in here. This one we says 𝗢𝗏𝗍 here. So you can see this 𝗢𝗏𝗍 pays $150 to $450 just per submission. Per submission simply means, let's say you sign up as a writer on the platform. I'm going to show you how. So you sign up as a writer on the platform, then a client hires you from there. You just write articles for this client. Might be blog posts, might be anything. Might be whiteboard, white paper, anything like that. So you just sign up there, they give you this project, you do them. Just with a single post, you can earn up to $450 for just that single post. Okay. So this is all you need to do here. Just click on this 𝗢𝗏𝗍 link here. It will take you to the site here. So you'll be brought to this site here. You'll be brought to this site here. Now, all you need to do here, because this site, companies can come. Companies is just the client area of it. So companies comes to this site, they hire writers from this site, and the writers deliver the project to the company itself. So 𝗢𝗏𝗍 is just like a middleman in between these two parties here. So what you need to do now, you need to sign up as a writer on this website. So in order to sign up as a writer on this website, you just need to come to this page which says writers, then click on N- for writers. So when you click on it, it will take you to this page here. So it will take you to this page. All you need to do is just sign up as a writer. So once you sign up as a writer, you get your account there. So the purpose of this is for you to just sign up. You can see fast payout, transparency. So you can see how it is and everything. So you just need to log into this. And once they approve your account, you log in. Now all you need to do is to start taking projects. So yeah, you can tell the platform what you can write about. You can see here, you can write about blog posts, articles, white paper, case study. So if you can write all these things, fine. You can hook yourself up to these different categories so that you can earn more from this site itself. But now this is what I want to show you. Now you've seen the platform and you just need to register. What I want to show you is how to get this article. Let's say, for instance, now, let's say a client hires you on this platform now to write maybe a blog post for them. How do you get this blog post? For most of you might not be experts in maybe that area or that line of business. Maybe the client might be from the health niche and say, okay, write an article for maybe a blog post on how to lose weight. How do you go about this? Now, this is it here. Now, in order to go about, there are so many ways you can do this. Now, depending on the topic they give you, let's say, for instance, the topic is about how to lose weight. Now, this is all you need to do. You just need to come to this place here and type how to lose weight. You can type how to lose weight fast here. So once you do that, now you can see so many articles on Google already targeting or answering this question, this search query now. So here you can just choose this one which says 23 tips for weight loss that actually work. Now you can just open this one. You can open so many of them here, but I want to just show you like how to go about this, like to deliver this project to these clients on that platform or any other platform if you're also a freelancer. So now this strategy I'm even teaching you here works even as a business owner. So we have a video that is appearing here just in case you're interested in starting your own blog. So once you start your blog, this is one of the strategies for you to get content ideas for your blog. So you can, publish blog posts there and earn affiliate commission when people click on your affiliate links on your blog to go over to the vendors area and buy that product. So this is just how top affiliates, marketers, how they get the content. This is just how they do it. Now I'm just showing here in this video. Okay. So here you can see so many of them here. Now we just open one of them, but you can open more of them if you want to. Now you can see this one, 23 tips for weight loss that actually work. This is what you can do. You can just copy the topic here. But now, if you want to deliver this project for this client, you don't just need to go here, copy and paste. You need to copy it. Then you need to come over here, just open a Google Doc. Google Doc is free. You can just create like you have a Gmail. Just type Google Doc on Google search there. Then click on the link to visit Google Doc and just open one of the documents there, a blank page. So just put the title of your article. So we just assuming. Okay, so this is the article we want to write for that client on N-. So this is it. Now we've gotten the title here. Now this is what we need to do. You can just come back to this site here. Like I said, you can open more of them, like from the Google search there. You can open multiple of them there. So you can pick content for it. Now, all you need to do is just copy from here to here. Then you can come here, then paste it here. Then you can repeat the same process. So let's say I'll just copy. Let me just copy more of them here. Let me just copy to this place here. So I'll just come here. I'll just paste. Then I scroll. Now you can see the tips here. So what you can do is just come here, just copy me. I'll just copy like, let's say 9 or 10 of them. Let me just copy the first 10 here. So then I come over here. Then I paste this here. Okay, so now let's say for instance, we've gotten the articles we want to use or we want to give to this client. But now you don't need to, or you shouldn't just copy this article like this, then send over this Google Doc to the client. It won't be nice because this article is not unique. You copied it from somewhere. Now, I want to show you how to make this article unique so that when you send it over to the client, it will be a unique article that you're sending over to that client so that if that client should hook it up on their blog or wherever they want to use the article for, it is their own property. Like it is unique to just their business. So it will enable, if they're using it for their blog, so it will enable their blog rank more on Google so they can attract more traffic there. And when this client sees that, okay, the articles you're giving them, like it's bringing them more traffic and traffic equates sales. So they can choose to hire you even for long term, like continue to hire you like frequently to help them create. So this is how you can earn more with the N- platform. Remember, don't just work for N-Dash. It works for both freelancing side like Fiverr. If you're a writer on Fiverr, you can sign up. After watching this video, you can sign up as a writer on Fiverr. Follow this process because, like, let me just put this way: 95% of the writers on Fiverr, this is what they do. Let me just tell you, this is what they do, because there's like nobody has that time to spend time and start writing articles these days when we have AI softwares that can make our life easier. So this is just it there. So what you just need to do, I just want to show you. I won't do everything for this article because this article is kind of long. So now we've gotten the article. Now, in order to make this article unique, you don't need to stress yourself about writing. But if you want to spend time yourself writing the articles, like rewarding it, fine, you can do that. But you can still make your life easier by using an AI software. Now, what we can do here is just copy this now. Or let me just come here. Let me start from the top here. 23. Okay, so we can just copy this title here. Just copy, Ctrl+C. Then you come over to this site, which says 𝗢𝗿. You can see it here, 𝗢𝗿.com. You can type it on Google. It will take you to, or you'll see the link in the description there. So just come over to this. Now, this site is completely free, though they have the premium version. As you can see here, let me just scroll down so I can just talk more about it. Now you can see premium benefits. For the free plan, you can just paste 125 words at a time. Because although I'll show you what this thing means, you can just paste 125 words at a time. Why for the premium version, you can paste unlimited, which is this your entire blog post. You can just like, I won't advise you do the title. So you just keep the title for now. You do the title first, then later you just come back, then copy from here to the end of the article. You just copy everything once and just come over to this place here where you see this and just paste it here. So you can paste unlimited more than 125 here for the, and I don't think this software is not even expensive. So it's very affordable. But we're going to be using the free plan today. So you know that, okay, there's a limit of 125 words at a time that you can, paraphrase, because we want to paraphrase everything so that to make the wordings unique to just our article that we want to send to that client through N-Dash or any other freelancing platform you want to use. Now, let's say, for instance, we copy the article. So what you can just do is you can choose the mode here. They have this standard, they have this fluency, you see, formal, simple, creative, expand, shorten. So depending on the one you want, you can try out all this here. But as you can see here, this one's grayed out, like this one's like this here. These are for premium users. So you can't use this one as a free user, but you can use only these two here. But let's just use this fluency for now. Then what we just have to do is just paste. This is our title. So let's just paraphrase now. Just click on the paraphrase button there. Let's see what's going to give us here. Now you can see 23 weight loss strategies that actually work. Now you can see it is different from this one to show you that it is unique. Now what you can do is just copy, then you come back to this place. Then what you can do is just replace it here. Now we've gotten our title. So what we want to do now is to start working on the body of the content now. So we can just come here, copy this here, then come to this place, paste it here. You can see 91 words. When we copy more than that, let's just try something. Let me show you. Let's say we copy up to this extent here. Then we paste. You can see get premium because we're over that limit of 125 words. You can see where you pass the word there. These ones are grayed out like this. You can see it's over the limit there. So what we can do is let me delete all this for now. Okay, so we'll just leave it as 91 words for now, because if you're using the free plan, you can do it bit by bit, only that it's going to take a bit of your time compared to the premium user, because as a premium user, you can just paste all your article at once here and to just paraphrase everything there within, let's say, 1 or 2 minutes to just paraphrase everything. But this is what we can do as a free user. You can just paste this bulk of text like this here. So we'll just wait for it to paraphrase. So you can see, we'll read everything. You can see everything is kind of unique now. You can see here it says over the years, you probably had your fair share of wacky weight loss. Now you can see this one. You've probably had your fair share of bizarre weight loss. So it's kind of unique. You can see it's unique to just you, which is your article alone. So what you can do now is to just click on this place here. You can copy, then come back to this place here. Where is that place there? Okay, so you can just copy, then come over to this, so you can just replace it. You can see. So now all you have to do is to repeat this same process. Repeat the same process for all your articles. Now, once you're done with your article, then you can, save and download it. And maybe if you're using Fiverr, you can upload it to the client there and get paid from the client. If you're using N-Dash, you upload it to the platform there. And once the client reviews it and they like your article, they'll pay N-Dash, and N-Dash is going to give you your fair share. So this is just how this is how you can make money online with this strategy using the site I just showed you, which is this site here, Money Pantry. So you can go over to this site, read more about the site, and see what you can gain from this site here itself. Now we've come to the end of this video. Like I said, if you found value in this video, please, we recommend you just take 1 second of your time to smash this subscribe button, like this video, and also share it with your friends. So it will also encourage us to create more money making videos just like this for you, because creating these videos is not easy, but with your like and subscribe to motivate us to create even more, to help you out in your journey to making money online. So if you're looking for a proven online business to start right now and start making money online, when you scroll down in the current video you're watching, you're going to see this link which says Get Blueprint. So just click on this link to go over to my website to download my free blueprint that has enabled me to start a profitable online business, earning high ticket commission, selling affiliate product that people are already searching for online to buy right now. So if you're looking for how to get started, just click on that link. It is free. Go and download the blueprint there. Now, I hope you found so much value in this video. But before you go, quickly check out these videos that are appearing here on our channel so that you can learn more on how to make more money online. I hope to see you in one of our next videos.